Stop scrolling right now. You're missing out on at least $500 every single week because you're ignoring these new AI tools. Either you jump in now or you'll keep watching others win. Which side will you be on? Welcome to AI Swift Results. I'm Alex Swift, and around here, knowledge must turn into results fast. Make sure to hit subscribe now so you don't miss any breakthrough. Are you ready to take action and earn real cash with AI this week? Let's be brutally honest. Most people just watch videos about AI, but watching won't put money in your pocket. Action does. Today, I'll show you 3 simple side hustles anyone can launch, no tech skills required. Ignore them, and you're literally giving up free money. Side hustle number 1. AI content creator. Can AI really write better than you? Try this and see for yourself. Here's our first hustle. Become an AI-powered copywriter. Platforms like Jasper AI or Copied AI let you create high-quality blog posts, social media captions, and add copy in just minutes. What's the hack? Offer these as quick gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. Step 1. Sign up for a free trial on Jasper or Copied AI. Step 2. Test 3 service ideas like Instagram captions, product descriptions, or blog intros. Step 3. List them as gigs starting at $25 each. Land just 4 gigs? That's $100. Multiply that. You're at $500 fast. Don't overthink. People pay for speed, not just creativity. Test this tonight. Comment if you got your first gig. Side hustle number 2. AI image seller. Want to sell images online without any design skills? Use this AI trick. Hustle number 2, selling AI-generated images online. You don't have to be an artist. Use Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva AI to create original images, social post templates, even logos. Where do you sell? Etsy, Gumroad, or even direct to local businesses. Step 1. Generate 10 to 15 image sets for a niche, like real estate agents, fitness coaches, food brands. Step 2. Pack them as a bundle and list for $20 to $40. Step 3. Post in niche Facebook groups or DM local businesses showing real samples. One solid sale a day and you can unlock $500 this week. Results come to the fast movers. Don't wait for perfection. Done beats perfect always. Side hustle number 3. AI automation for businesses. No coding, no tech headaches. Just money in the bank with this automation hack. The third hustle, micro-automation services using Zapier AI, no coding needed. Small businesses want to automate boring stuff. New lead alerts, follow-up emails, appointment scheduling.
Step 1, head to Zapier.com, start a free account, explore the AI builder. Step 2, set up a demo automation, like auto email replies for new leads. Step 3, pitch a paid setup to 3 local businesses, charging $100 each for setup and $20 a month for support.
You land 2 clients? You're already at $240 this week, plus monthly income stacking up. Remember, speed is your superpower. Set it up, show a video demo, and close the deal. Here's your 7-day challenge. Day 1. Pick one hustle. Set up your accounts/tools. Day 2. Create 3 sample projects you can show or sell. Day 3. List your offers on Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, wherever your buyers are. Day 4 to 5. DM or email 20 prospects. Be bold. Be specific. Day 6. Repeat your best offer. Tweak what didn't get results. Day 7. Collect feedback, upsell, repeat. Take action daily. By Sunday, you could have your first $500 or more.
Most people will do nothing with this info, will you? Here's the ugly truth, 99% of people will just watch and do nothing, which means the 1% who take action win all the rewards.
Are you a watcher or a doer? Comment, I'm in if you're ready to launch at least one side hustle this week. I want to see who really acts. If this video brought you value, don't just like it, share it with someone who needs these extra $500 right now. And don't forget, next episode, I'll break down how to automate your entire marketing funnel using just 2 AI tools, so subscribe and turn on notifications. Take your shot now, money loves speed,